Well, hello everyone. Yes, I'm back for the second time today. The new proud American conservative with more important info not too many of you can stomach. No fancy introduction here, no fancy music, just straight to facts. A little bit of a fact shower. Most of you know what happened with the market today. If you followed a little bit, it was a miracle. The Federal Reserve, with the help, of course, of the Oval Office and the Treasury Department, decided to start buying individual corporate debt. This is now turning into a complete, not just mess, it is almost hard to believe what we are witnessing every single day. It doesn't matter how many lives, how many people will get completely wiped out, how many lives will be changed forever. Some lost due to suicides and whatnot, when people realize what actually happened with their money, if they even had any. It's quite unbelievable what we are witnessing. So again, more bad news for the market before, Federal Reserve jumped in to save another day. So we had trucking orders getting crushed. A lot of truckers don't even want to drive in so many states already due to riots and whatnot. Who can blame them, right? Then you got companies like Hertz going bankrupt. You got shale industries in Texas left and right just closing down. Total bankruptcy. It doesn't matter. 1.5 million jobs claim loss last week. No big deal. Market continues to go up, which means there is always opportunities here on the way down or on the way up. I like when it goes up and down in one day. That's my favorite. This is where everybody needs to look at. If you want to use my method of in and out procedure, these are gifts from President and the Fed Reserve that you just got to be able to capitalize on. If you are not speculative, if you do not want to chance it in the casino, aka stock market, it's completely understandable. Remember, KISS, keep it super simple. Hedge yourself off against this debt by holding hard tangible assets. You have to. This is hyperinflation 101, what they are doing right now. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips for tomorrow. I believe it's going to be some opportunities again tomorrow. It may not be as juicy as today. If you followed my blog, you would know, again, I've been sticking with these two energy stocks. They had this nice sweet spot of between 25 and 50 cents even. KLXC has been really performing well for me. And what I mean by performing is I'm looking at the lows of the day and the highs. Especially, let's say, when the market opens up at 9:30 Eastern, like around 1 p.m., I want to see what this stock has been doing. If it really plunged too much lower from the open, or it never recovered, or if it did, how many times it happened. I watch the chart a little bit, and then I just jump in, with juicy profits. If opportunity arises, I'm not afraid to pull the trigger. I believe I know what I'm doing. I'm trying to teach you guys, you can do it in very small amounts. It's up to you. So sweet spot, in and out procedure. It just continues to work out. And then I came across this chart, which I'm going to post on my down below in my video box, my video chat box. After I'm done with this video, you're going to find out the S&P 500 going all back to like 1928, I believe, up until today, 2020. For the monthly average price range percentage changes, 0 to 5% is the most. So 5%, it's about 500 times per month that it's been averaging. And then the next one, that's the closest one, is, I think you can possibly already guess, it's from negative 5% to 0. So this is why I was stunned when I saw that stat. This is why this method is going to work. Yes, you're going to make a lot more money if you pick the right stock that jumps 100%. Yes, in casinos you do hit jackpots sometimes, but If you think you're going to make money like that, then go into cryptos and do Bitcoin, which I love too, by the way. It's just a lot of fun, especially when everybody says to buy at 10,000 and you choose not to, and you just wait for it to drop to 4,000 and buy and then sell at 10,000. So stuff like that. This is what I'm going to be posting on. I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. I am what I am. I'm just looking for opportunities. I like to make money. Well, I like to make moves to acquire currency and then use that monopoly money, the fiat currency called the dollar. I like to use some of those profits and then acquire real money like gold and silver. And tomorrow, for all of my subscribers, which is not too many, but this is going to get bigger, I will do the unboxing of the precious metals box. I call it the precious metals box that came in, so you guys can see. If you never received gold in mail, I will show you what it looks like. So my stock picks will be coming tomorrow around 1 o'clock Eastern, and I will tell you exactly again if these two stocks, AMPY and KLXC, have that nice sweet spot again or something different. We'll take a look at it and go from there. Take care and good night, everyone.